watching anymore. I've got my people, and we've got customs of our own.